I'm gonna go run out and let Jason know.
Go! Just run! Run, Jeff, run! Tornado sirens going off. Supercells. And that's a lot of hell right there. What do you think, Bo? It's a monsoon.
2 seconds. Look at me. I'm wetter than I am when I come out of the shower. Look at that shit.
Oh my God.
Fuck? Hey, that's like a tornado. Seriously, dude.
Go look at your TV. It's getting ready to hit us. I'm pretty sure that. Go where? Go look for the tornado? All you gotta, have you not seen fucking Twister? All you gotta do is hold on to a water pipe. You're not gonna go anywhere. Yeah, hold on to the stripper pole, Jason. That will hold you. Oh my God, dude. Check this shit out. Go look at your TV. I don't have cable on my TV. It's hooked up to the modem.
Oh my God! Okay, that's a fucking tornado. That's a tornado. Where?
Oh my God!
Where?
Dude, look at the fucking, look at everything. There has to be a tornado right there. Oh my God!
Oh my fucking God!
You really think that's a tornado? What? Now I'm recording!
Get in the bathtub!
We don't gotta be in the bathtub. I'm trying to clean this fucking lens. It's all wet. Come on, focus, motherfucker.
Oh my God.
I've never seen rain do that. I've never seen that shit ever.
I couldn't even see the fucking garage.
Focus.
Me and Bo were in the goddamn bathtub. That shit, I saw it look like fucking that's a tornado! Oh my God, there's trees all over the place. These cars over here are covered with fucking branches.
I can't get my fucking camera to focus.